What up, fam? It's your boy, man. Y'all hadn't subscribed, man. Click that subscribe button. Check your boys out, man. Cotto is back at it again, man. Still being a warrior, man. Not to take nothing away from Gil, but if you saw this fight, man, you know Cotto is still the man. The guy's a legend, man, and he proved it once again, man. If you saw this fight, man, the guy came out from the beginning doing his thing, giving it all he got, man. And not to take nothing away from Gil, but Cotto was just the better man, man. Cotto, did you see the fourth round, man? That describes the whole fight. It was over with. It was a wrap. And I say to anybody, Cotto still got it, man. Dude, man, people seem to talk and forget, man, but the guy's a legend, man. The guy can hold his own, man, and he proved it once again in this fight, and he keep proving it in every fight, man. Once again, Cotto has done his thing, man. The guy's a legend, been holding it down, keep holding it down, and I think he's going to continue to hold it down. But if you saw the fight, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below, man. Not to take nothing away from Gil, man, but Cotto, once again, was the big man on campus doing this thing, man. Tell me what you think about the fight, man. Tell me what you think about Cotto. Who should be his next opponent, man? Who should be the next fighter to really give him a big challenge, man? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. It's your boy. I'm out. Deuces.